Hello bestie, welcome and welcome back to the channel. If it is your first time, welcome on board. I hope we get to vibe here. So bestie, I'm back with another video. I've been perusing the internet to find more ways for you guys to earn, and today I'm back with another video and a new way to teach you how you can earn some money. Okay, so bestie, without further ado, let's get to it. Now, bestie, before we get into the video of the day, just give me 2 minutes. I have some things to get off my chest on this channel. So, besties, a few months ago, I tried moving this channel into different directions, and you besties were like, "No, we don't do that here." I was like, "Damn." So I tried tweaking a few things here and there, and you guys put your feet on the ground and were like, "No, we don't want that content." And I'm here to say I hear you, and I'll do my best to bring this content to you guys, So all I ask of you bestie is to please like this video, subscribe to the channel if you're yet to, keep the views coming. I love the numbers are going up, but there are no views, guys, so please keep viewing my videos, keep supporting me. I really appreciate you, and I'll go out of my way to find you more videos anytime I have a chance. Okay, so, and besties, if I do decide to create another channel to post my other content, I hope you besties come and support me, okay? Because I'm here, I'm doing what you want. So please, I'll let you know when the next channel drops, and I hope you besties come along and support me the same way you've been doing, okay? So yeah, let's get to the video. So HEAT stands for Human Intelligence Training, just like NIVOR. So when you get on the first page here, you can start seeing how many job listings there are there, and then you can be able to check which jobs do you qualify for, and some of the jobs you not be able to do because you do not qualify. But that's okay, bestie, because there's so many jobs in here that you can't imagine. Okay, so when you look at this job listing, you'll be able to see this preview. So for a job that you're allowed to preview, it means that you qualify to do that jobs, or in other words, that the country that you live in, they are allowed. Like when you check this one, so it's given a short-term home rental listing, find the address. So you're allowed to apply this job to look for this address. You can see for me living in Kenya, I do not qualify for this job, bestie, but anyone who is living in those countries, they can be able to access and work on that job. Okay, there's this other job that given a short-term home rental, again listing, find this address. So you're being paid $7.5. It's this job lasts 3 days, and if again you're from this location, you can be able to work on this job. Unfortunately, bestie, I don't know why they are leaving out Kenya on these good jobs, bestie, but again, you know what, bestie, I know I surfed the internet and I made sure that I researched very well, bestie, and ensure that you are able to work on these jobs and the money. You just have to do your job carefully, because bestie, one thing about these jobs, if you start getting rejections on the task that you do work on, you will start missing out on jobs. Why? Because it shows that you're not serious on the work that you're doing, and therefore your approval rate start going lower and your rejection rate starts going higher. So you want your rejection rate to go low or even stay at 0, and your approval goes higher. That way, every job you click on, you're accepted, or they accept you to work on that job. Okay, bestie, let me rudely interrupt this video and just remind you how much I do appreciate you, bestie, for clicking on this video, for taking your time to watch my videos and support me. I really do appreciate you, bestie, for watching this video. If you can watch this video to the end, it will really help to push my channel to more viewers, as well as liking this video and leaving me a positive comment below. If you have an app or a website you need me to check out for you and confirm whether it's legit or it's not, bestie, I'm here to do that. Okay, so thank you so much for watching. Let's get back to the video. Okay, so wonderful. So you can see there are other jobs that pay you $6. We have our $0.01. So depending on which are or where you live, which country you live in, or where you're residing, then you'll be able to check which jobs are available to you and do as many as you can. I'm imagining, bestie, if I am among these countries that have all these payments going for them, I'll really be doing these jobs like every day. okay, every day, and have your payments done monthly, and then you'll be able to withdraw your money. Okay, bestie. So there are so many jobs. There are actually 335 jobs that you can work on. Again, these jobs may not all be available to you because of the reasons that I already stated, that maybe they're not available in your country, bestie. And that's okay. But there are those jobs that are available in your country, okay? All you have to do is, when you click on one job, ensure that you are following the instruction of working on these jobs. So this is the second page. You can see there are still more and more jobs you can work on. Vacation rental API, again, this is for looking for addresses. You're able to earn $7.50, and I'm looking at this. This is the highest paying task, where you're asked to look for an address. Okay, so bestie, what are you waiting for? What are you waiting for, bestie? I told you, when I come back, I'm in business. Bestie. Okay, so there's this other job that it runs for 3 days, and you're able to earn, again, $7.50. We have $0.02 again, bestie. If the tasks that are available for your country, they're not paying on the higher side on this platform, all you have to do is do a lot of these jobs. Okay, do a lot of them and ensure that you're accumulating that money. You keep accumulating that money, and then withdraw your cash, get your money, bestie. Okay, so yeah, bestie. So scrolling through the page, bestie, you can already see that some of these tasks already have some, or maybe states or countries that have been suggested to work on them. You can see there's Washington DC, there is Hollywood, there is Nashville. So on these tasks that you're asked to look for addresses, then you have to be living in those states or in those countries for you to be able to find these listings. Okay, because it would be crazy for me to be living in Kenya and then to be looking for an address in Mississippi. I mean, bestie, you understand? But here I am hooking you up with this good deal. And bestie, just before we go too far into this video, I'm so sorry, I forgot this. The website that I'm talking about it's Amazon Mechanical Turk. So when you look for amazonmturk.com, you will be able to see this website, and then you can be able to sign up and start earning your money. So they take 3 business days to approve your account, and once your account is approved, then you can be able to follow up on your payments, check how much have you earned that day. You can be able to also transfer your earnings. Then this is when you get to be paid. Okay, like withdraw your money from the account. Okay, so yes, bestie. So like I said, rejection rate, you want to keep it at 0. Your approval rate, you want to keep it at 100. That way, every job you click on, you are approved to work on that job. Why? Because from your approval rate, it shows that you're serious about the work that you're doing, that you do your due diligence, and you're able to do a good job. Okay, no one wants to hire a lazy person who is just looking for a quick money and go without doing the job. Okay, bestie. So like I said, these are easy jobs. So if you're among the countries that are approved for these jobs, again, bestie, go in here, sign up, start doing these jobs. Okay, ensure that you do a good job so that you keep a good streak in your account, and go enjoy this money, bestie. Okay, so I am happy, bestie, to be bringing this information to you, bestie, because I do, even though from my country I wouldn't be able to earn much money in terms of accumulating, bestie, there's someone who is earning $7. If you're among those people, get on this website, sign up ASAP, bestie, and start earning your money. Okay, start earning your money. Meanwhile, for someone like me, I'll be accumulating my money slowly, and I'll get there. You know, it's okay, bestie, it's okay. We can't all be the same. We can't all have the equal chances, but Thank you, bestie, for supporting this channel and watching this video to the end. I hope you got the information you needed on this website, and I hope you go in there and start earning some money. And when you do, bestie, come back to this video and do tell me that something good is happening, okay? Or even if you run into any bumps while applying or doing these jobs, besties, do let me know. Like, you've seen some countries get to earn more money than others, bestie. You know what? The world is not fair, and we have to deal with it anyway, right? We can't complain. You go in there, grind, earn some money. It will support you somewhere, okay? Like I said, it doesn't pay the bigger bills, but let me tell you, it chips in when you need it. Okay, bestie, I'll see you on my next video. Thank you so much. Remember to like this video, subscribe to the channel if you're yet to, leave me a comment on where you're watching me from and what other videos do you want to see on this channel. Okay, bestie, I'm doing my best to just look for other ways that I can come back here and educate you more on how you can earn. I want to scale the channel into bigger, whereby we can even get to a point whereby we get to invite people in the channel. Of course, I have to figure out how do I host that, but that is what I'm looking forward to, whereby I can bring other people, tell us how they're earning money, educate us on that. So fully the channel is on finance, and bestie, I'm not going anywhere, and I hope you're not. Okay, so I'll see you on my next video.